Pizza delivery is a mobile business, right? Not really, because they cook the pizza at the restaurant and then bring it to you. A mobile business is only truly mobile if they do everything on site. Ding Mobile Dent Removal is truly a mobile business. For example, look at the repairs in this Cadillac SUV. All of them were performed in a city park. Ding Mobile Dent Removal brings the shop to you. So if you have a dent in your vehicle, call 910-556-3464 or visit us at whatdings.com.